Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're doing well. Another day, another video, and it is the 13th of Ramadan, and because it's Ramadan, so I'm trying more to focus on the ibadat that I want to do, and it's like I'm not capturing much of the activities around, and but I'll try that as we are moving towards the second half of the month, so I'll try to capture much more details for you guys. And do you see the weather, the clouds? It's post Fajr prayer, like post the time when we kept our fast and then prayed for Fajr, and then it's the sunrise time. And do you see the clouds and the amazing weather? um, and this cloud, what you say, like bubbles, it's coming like cotton balls. It's looking amazing. And I'm sorry, it's like I would like to show you how pretty the BurjKhalifa, and how it's being wrapped up with those beautiful clouds, how it looks from here. So it was also one of the reasons that we bought this place, like we rented this place, because it has this amazing view, especially for the clouds and all, because we have these rare scenes here in UAE mostly. So I just want to show you that post Fajr prayer in the early in the morning, these are the scenes that we get to enjoy if it's a cloudy weather. Also, there's a forecast for clouds and a lot of rain coming in here in the UAE itself, so that's why maybe it's so thickly cloudy. And do you see the clouds? They are so much thick and black, and they look so amazing. I mean, really, it lifted up my mood in the morning, and it gives you very high spirits seeing this weather. So I hope you are liking my videos, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I can see most of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet. You just watch the videos and go by, and thank you for giving time to my videos and viewing it. Plus, please, but please, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So that's how it is. That's the beauty over there, and how it's being covered with clouds all around. So stay tuned. I'll catch up with you guys with the rest of the day, and let me show you how we spend the day, especially the weekends here in the UAE in Ramadan. So stay tuned, you guys, and watch the video till the very end. Assalamu alaikum, you guys, hope you're doing well. So welcome back to my same video. And in the morning I showed you how cloudy Dubai was, and it was so much of prettiness everywhere post sunrise time, post the Fajr prayer. So now you could see I have a gadget in front of me, and I have bought this since few weeks, and I wanted to use it, but I first want to do a proper unboxing for you guys to show you how this new product from Dyson is. It's a new release from their side, and let me first unbox it with you guys, and then we'll just review it and see whatever is there in the box. So let me just open the box. So basically it comes in this big what you say, a carton type of a thing to protect the like the box from inside. So I have the Dyson Airwrap as well, and it also came in a huge big carton. I have the whole heads of the Airwrap, so I have the complete Airwrap version with me, and it also came in a very big box like this, and then I had the small box with an inside, and which is also so big. So after some time maybe I'll also show that to you and review that for you guys too. And I simply love it. It's a very good investment if you want to save your hair from very bad heat on daily basis. The Airwrap and the amount of volume that it gives to your hair is seriously insane. No other hair dryer is able to do that. So let's just unbox this, and you could see here it's the Dyson Airwrap. So for me, I opened these tapes already for you guys, so I can easily pull up this while I'm showing it to you. And let's just open it swiftly. Here you are. So I had few options to select from on the outlet. So I went to their DubaiMall outlet to purchase it directly from there. I did not order it online, and I had to review the colors first before buying it. So there's a gray version of it as well, which is kind of very pretty, and it's like, you know, the color that is very in these days, the pastels. So that gray was towards that pastel side, but I went with the blue one because the lighter shades, they tend to get dusty, and the scratches are much more on the lighter shades, much more visible. So that's why I went with the blue one this time. For the Airwrap, I have their what you say, red color with me. Like the base is like grayish, dark grayish, that every Airwrap has, and then these sides are like the heads etc are all red. So but this time I had the option to choose the color. Last time I did not because I ordered it online. So I went with this blue color, and it looks very pretty to me, and it gives you the proper Dyson type of a look. You see it's Dyson over here. So let's just pull it outside, but I think there is the whole wiring and the whole set of things with it. We'll unbox this part. This is, I think, the mat on which you can keep your Airstrait. You'll hear me use the word Airwrap time and again because obviously I'm used to that. So this is the box. We'll unbox the things one by one because they have their proper what you call the booklet for usage etc in there. And do you just see how amazing they have packed their product? Really, like, I'm impressed. Dyson, really, they are spending good amount of money in doing a proper boxing for their products. And this big charger, actually, why this big of a what you say is the plug is that because it wants to protect your device from the fluctuations that we have in electricity. So I read it somewhere. To be very clear, I don't have any idea why they have given this bit big of what you say, the plug, but this is what I read somewhere, that in order to protect your device from the electricity fluctuations and then the various features that this Dyson has, that's why they have given this much of a pod. So they have also given us the instructions over here, how to plug it in and then switch it in, and then how to click, and you know, everything, which is so good that you just have everything pasted over here. You don't have to open the guide or the help to see how I have to make use of it. So this is how it is, and they said that do not to touch this one, and then we have to use this one only. So they call it the test before the use, and we'll try that later on and I'll share my experience with you. So let's just pick the product up. This is how it is. You can see it's looking really pretty, and that was the closed. This is how you are able to close it, like this, and then this is how you open it. And once you open it, you have all these functions over here. I'll use all these functions and then I'll let you know how efficient it was. One is for the power, and then for the speed of the fan. Then you want hair straightening only or hair drying only. So these are the buttons related to that. I'll definitely use them and show it to you guys, and that's how it is till now. And let me just open the booklets as well to show you how and what is being mentioned over there. And one thing that I wanted to show you, why Airstrait and why not some good expensive straightener out there like GHD etc etc, because they are not using the plates that damage our hair with, like the other straighteners. They have damaged our hair badly with the plates that get very warm while straightening our hair. Here you don't have those plates. It's using the air technology to straighten your hair. Because I use their Airwrap as well, I know how much bounce and volume it gives, and definitely it's using the air. And then you can set different temperatures of the air, just to if you want lesser one and then lock it up with the cold air, you can do that. So all those things are not available in the hair straighteners. It's just the plates that are consistently damaging our hair. So this is what was the main selling point for me and for all the people out there who have purchased the Airstrait, is that it prevents the damage through the airflow without the plates. It's straightening the hair. So I'll definitely share my review with you guys as well. And let's just see what is there left in the box, in the wrappings that we just opened. So the color looks amazing to me. So do share your feedback with me about how you like the color, and then let me know if you want to see the detailed review of how I used it and how to use it, and what are the results that I got after using the Airwrap. So guys, this was the one, what you say, piece within the whole box, and we can use their application and tailor to use it as per our needs. Then we have simple pamphlet from them, not a simple there's one in Arabic to help us read through it, and then also the steps. Now this is such a good thing that they have prepared the guide in this way. It's a simple pamphlet with which you can get to know how the product actually works, rather than big guides or one with a small letter. So I really like this approach and the style of marketing from Dyson's side. So we'll just go through this part and use it once, and then I'll definitely share the review of how the product turned out. So that's about it regarding the Dyson's unboxing from my side. I hope you have liked my initial unboxing, and I'll share my reviews with you guys. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I see a lot of you are just coming here viewing my videos but not subscribing to it. So it would really be helpful if you guys start subscribing, and I assure you that I'll be bringing such more content for you guys, not only from Dubai and from UAE, but from other parts of the world as well. Very soon you'll be also viewing some more travel series on my channel. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And the last thing that I had to unbox was their mat that has been given by Dyson. They give it with their every product. Like I had it for Airwrap as well. They give a mat to place the product, but this one is much more premium, and the feel of it is so amazing. It's very soft. So we'll definitely use it for keeping the product once it's hot, especially when you use it and then you try to keep it, because you have to part your hair. So it's very good for that part. So, and then it has a cute little Dyson typed over here with some very pretty velvety thread. So that's about it. Take care you guys, and I'll catch up with you in the very next video, and it would be a very good and interesting one as well. So please stay tuned, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.